Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this 4-pack of collapsible LED camping lanterns. So come on with me, let's jump into this review. Okay, what we've got here is a collapsible LED rechargeable lantern. So you can charge these with DC current or house current, and each lantern comes with its own cord, which is nice. But what really sets these apart from many of the others that are available is the solar recharger. You can simply set these outside in the sun and they'll recharge themselves. It has a lithium-ion battery, and that battery, when it has a full charge, will actually produce up to 25 hours of use on the lantern. The units come with a great set of instructions. This walks you through really everything that you need to know about how to use these. Very simple. Let's walk through that right now. So the units come with a handle, and those clip right into place down here, but you just fold those up and lift it up and the light comes on. You can choose how much light you want, especially at night on a campsite, in a tent, whatever. Obviously you can put that down low and it doesn't throw much light, or throw it right up there. The nice thing about the handles are it allows you to hang that in a camper, a tent, maybe out on a tree branch on the trail. These are super lightweight, which makes it great for backpackers and camping. Another feature that it has is right here, it has a button and it's a built-in flashlight, so it's dual purpose. The lantern also has a USB port, and so in an emergency situation you can put a USB cord in there and actually recharge an Android cell phone, so you can use this as a power plant. That's your 4-pack of collapsible, portable, LED rechargeable camping lanterns.